Down here at the dock, got a little project. I've got these two mounting points for my jet skis on this ramp, and they're just totally worn out. Carpet's trashed. I got to put new pressure treated boards, everything on here. So I'm going to use some Better Boat replacement marine carpet to cover these. I'm going to replace the wood, get them all straightened out. You can see how they've just gotten all warped off to the side. They used to be straight up and down, but just from over the years, these have not been replaced in a very long time. So I'm going to have some replacement carpet that I'm going to put on there from Better Boat. They make some really good durable carpet that lasts, and going to just string that out here and show you how that goes. Got some new pressure treated wood here. They're just 2x4s. And I've got some trailer bunk carpet here from Better Boat. And they sent me this in order to make this video, show their product and test it out, give my opinion on it. This is a extra thick marine grade carpet. It's going to resist the getting wet, getting dry, getting wet, getting dry, and being out in the sun. 13 feet long by 9 inches. So that'll do a good job to wrap over these boards here. I'm going to attach them to the boards with a combination of glue and some staples. I'm going to use this 3M Super Strength stuff, this Super 77. Sticks to just about anything, but it does call out the use on fabrics and cardboard and such, so it'll definitely stick to these boards. I'm going to use a pair of scissors here to cut the carpet, and I'm also going to use this razor blade here from Votrek, and I got a new Master cordless stapler, and I put 1/4-inch staples in there so they're not super thick, and they'll go in flush with this as well. And I just want to make sure I keep all the staples and the screws and everything that hold this in away from the boat. So let's get this carpet rolled out and cut and put it together. Something you'll notice on this carpet, it has definitely a backing side to it. So this is very stiff. This has got more of the fabric side to it. So you're going to want to put this to glue and adhere that to the boards. And here you go. It's got a nice thickness to it. It's probably 1/4 inch. So that'll give it some padding for a few years at least. When you're working with this stuff, you put it on there and you wait a little bit and let it get tacky, and then press it into place and try to spray it on both surfaces. It helps it bond better when you've got a surface coated on both sides. You can really see here how this stuff starts to grab with it being tacky like that. See that? When this stuff cures, it's on there good. It's like skin. So now I got it all glued in, and you know, that might be plenty to hold this on there for the life of these boards, but I'm just going to back it up with some staples along the edge just to make sure it stays tacked down. You could probably do it without glue and just staple them, but I don't know how long that's going to last you. I feel much better with this 3M glue on there. But I'm going to have to put a row of staples along the edge here and on the ends, and we'll be done. that's it. These are ready to go. They look great. Let's get them down to the dock and installed onto the ramp. So there we go. Got the bunk carpet installed on here from Better Boat. Stuff works great, looks like brand new. Probably hardest part was just getting the old bolts out, using the bandsaw to cut them. And use galvanized bolts and washers and pressure treated wood. So hopefully this will last and give us another, 20 years of parking these jet skis here without any troubles. Hey, I hope that helped. Learn a little bit more about replacing the bunk carpet on your dock. Hope this information has been useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.